Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to start with our sixth time revision of NCERT biology, and again we are going to do it unit wise this time, and today we are going to provide you with 15 MCQs from the first unit of class 11th NCERT biology, that is diversity in living world. So read the entire unit diversity in living world first, then only attempt the MCQs that have been provided in today's video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. 1. Quick referral taxonomical aid is herbarium, botanical garden, museum, key. Quick referral taxonomical aid is. The correct answer is option A. Herbarium is used as quick referral taxonomical aid. Question number 2. In which group of organisms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? In which group of organisms cell wall form two thin overlapping shells? Slime molds, chrysophytes, euglenoids, or dinoflagellates? The correct answer is option B, chrysophytes. Question number 3. Prothallus of fern produces spores, gametes, both spores and gametes, or cones. Prothallus of ferns produces. Correct answer is option B, it produces gametes. Question number 4. A jawless fish which lays egg in fresh water and whose larvae after metamorphosis returns to the ocean is Petromyzon, Eptritus, Myzine, or Neomyzine. Jawless fish lays eggs in fresh water. Larvae after metamorphosis return to ocean. The correct answer is option A, Petromyzon. Question number 5. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropods is formed by polymerization of lipoglycans, keratin sulfate and chondroitin sulfate, D-glucosamine, or option D, N-acetyl glucosamine. Which of the following form the chitin polymer? The correct answer is option D, N-acetyl glucosamine forms the chitin. Question number 6. The imperfect fungus which are decomposers of litters and help in mineral cycling belong to which of the following? Ascomycetes, Deuteromycetes, Basidiomycetes, Phycomycetes. Imperfect fungi which act as decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling. The correct answer is option B. They belong to Deuteromycetes. Select the incorrect statement. So 4 options are there. You have to select the wrong statement or incorrect statement. Mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by viruses. The viroids were discovered by D.J. Evanosky. W.M. Stanley showed that viruses could be crystallized. The term Contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Bejerinic. You have to find the incorrect statement, wrong statement. So the correct answer to this is option B is incorrect. Question number 8. Male gametes are flagellated in Anabana, Ectocarpus, Spirogyra, Polysiphonia. Male gametes are flagellated in. The correct answer is option B, Ectocarpus. Question number 9. A fern differs from a moss in having swimming archegonia, swimming antherozoids, independent gametophyte, or independent sporophyte. Fern differs from a moss in having. The correct answer is option D, independent sporophyte. Question number 10. Yeast is divided under the class Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes, Ascomycetes, or Zygomycetes. Yeast is divided under the class. The correct answer is option C, Ascomycetes. Question number 11. Male gametophyte in angiosperms produces 3 sperms, 2 sperms and a vegetative cell, single sperm and a vegetative cell, single sperm and 2 vegetative cells. A male gametophyte in angiosperm produces. The correct answer is option B. It produces 2 sperms and a vegetative cell. Question number 12. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous component of excretory products of earthworm, cockroach, frog or man. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous component of the excretory product of which of the following organism? The correct answer is option B, cockroach. Question number 13. Scientific names for plants is based on principles and criteria given in ICVN, ICZN, IPZN or IPBN. Scientific names for plants is based on principles and criteria given in. The correct answer is option A, ICBN. Question number 14. Stored food in Rhodophyceae is starch, laminarin, mannitol, Floridian starch. Question number 14. Stored food in Rhodophyceae is. The correct answer is option D, Floridian starch. Question number 15. Ctenophora have which level of organization? Cellular level, tissue level, organ level or organ system level? Ctenophora has which level of organization? The correct answer is option B. It has tissue level of organization. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next unit of class 11th NCERT biology. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.